Here's Emu app, game consoles app, retro console emulator, quite high in the charts. Emu lets you play classic retro games by emulating popular consoles. Import your own game files and relive your favorite titles with seamless gameplay. Emu brings the best of retro gaming right to your fingertips. Revisit your childhood memories by emulating a variety of classic gaming consoles and relive the golden age of gaming. So you import your game's authentic retro experience, save and load game states, easy setup, stable performance, play anytime. And then you can just you can just double tap to install. Play retro games on your phone, import and play your own game files, switch to landscape mode, enjoy unlimited gaming time. And then you can just see it in here. And then you can select, so there's weekly $4 per week and yearly $20 per year. You can just add games. You need to upload these games, seems like that. And there is multiplayer, there is home, there is games. You can filter it out, but yeah, you need to upload them. So all of these old consoles, you can just literally upload them on your phone. Pretty cool. Guess you can search on Reddit where you can get them. And then you can delete account, and again there is premium option. And then there is multiplayer as well in a premium option. So in a nutshell, that's the app.